I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do is take this piece down, and you got 4 bolts. One there, there, and they're 10 millimeters. So pull that down, and then we've got this air duct piece here. I'm trying to put it back. So you'll be looking at it like this. You're going to go ahead and just wiggle and pop this guy off. And then we've actually got our ignition switch. This is the new one. And on the back end, there's going to be a Phillips, and it's going to be sitting up in there like this. So you're just going to reach back there with a stubby Phillips, unscrew it, and let's see, it's going to be sitting like right where my finger is. So you're just going to reach up behind there, feel it, find that Phillips, unscrew that, and then your electrical connector is going to be this one right here, and it's a squeeze and pull. You're going to squeeze right here and pull. That's how you're going to connect it and disconnect it. And then we've also got this guy right here. Now this can make the project really difficult, but I'm going to show you a way to make it really easy. What we're actually going to do, instead of trying to take all this off and trying to get back in there, is you're just going to snip this wire and then snip the new one, and then just make connections and just connect it, because that piece never goes bad. It's the ignition switch here that goes bad and fails because it's a lot of electrical current running through there. So we'll look at that here in just a minute. Okay guys, now hopefully you can see what I've done here. Took the new one, cut this piece off of the new one, and then just wired it to the old one there. And it's not like a real important connection there, so just, you know, wire it up, put some electrical tape, and then stick this piece back in, get your little Phillips head and screw that in, and that's it, guys. It's a simple project. So that'll conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you would like, subscribe, comment, and all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.